You see right there is the flicker that I don't see. There's a steady light, and that's what I'm taking out. That big bar right there. So let's start doing it. But first, that. Come listen to my podcast. These snap in. You see? Those white clips right there? I grabbed it from here or here just to actually get good leverage. There is one screw right there, which is this one. Phillips or 10. And that's it. These three are right here. 1, 2, 3, like I showed you before. And then you just pull. Same with this side. Same thing. Just pull this out of the socket. Look at this. See, this over here comes towards you. So pulling, obviously with both hands, is easier. But you see, it pops it out of the socket right there. Those tabs pull out. Obviously, those are all down here. They're all right there, one. And what's cool is, I've noticed, this little hole is so you can hold it in place while you snap them in place. So you put this in, and you hold it here like this, and you snap them in place. I think this is the one I didn't have to take out, but I took out anyway. It's just for the little flap. But it's alright, no big deal. So, there you go. Let me pull it off. Again, show you how easy. Just one up. See? And what's nice is nothing breaks. It's just the style. It sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. Same thing on this side. It's already out over here. So there's a clip. I'm gonna get this, I don't know, ground again. So the lone clip right here, which I think is all data. Because look at this. You got 3 wires doing all this. No way, dude. Look at this. I guess it all goes into this little thing. Look. You got 5 wires here, 3 wires here, and all goes to this into 3 little wires. That's crazy. But either way, I'm not going to unplug it, but I'll show you how to do it. Squeeze in the corner and pull the black. It moves. It swivels. You see? There it is. That's it. Now that we have this off, we're going to take this one out. Looks to be, that's just a socket. That's just a socket. I don't see any other bolts. Maybe that one? I don't think so. But we definitely have this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one over there. So let's get that out and see if this whole light bar comes out. Yep. It just pops out of the socket. See? It's all out. Now, I'm not going to unplug it because the battery's still on. But same thing. Push in, center out, and the whole thing's out. You see? It's literally hanging. I'm not going to take it out. This thing's too big. And to put it back, look, you can see it's out. You just got to unplug her. Unplug, unplug, unplug. I'm not doing it. No, the battery on. So, there you have it. Again, squeeze, latch outward. And this, again, squeeze and pull outward. So, let's put her back. All you gotta do is just line her up. Those were what these are. They're like sockets. You see? It just pushes back in to the actual socket, which is typical of the Hyundai and Kia. So you just gotta make sure they're all lined up. You see? The whole thing is just floating right now. And you wanna push back into the socket. You heard it? This is what I mean by the socket. See, it's back in, snapped in. So there you go. So, same over here. Just push it right back in. Right into the socket. So, put the bolts back that you left in a safe place. The bigger washer is the outside. So there you have it. So, like it, Don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.